The bear market might be beginning. What does this mean for Pepe token? Is the bear market here, and how are we going to overcome this obstacle? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Kumar Khan, and today we're talking about Pepe token, more specifically what the heck is going on in the market and what does this mean for Pepe coin. Is this a bear market? What does that mean for Pepe? Is Pepe over from here? Absolutely not, guys. I think this is a small hurdle along the road. We're talking about Shiba Inu in an earlier video today. I was talking about this is a hurdle that was anticipated to happen for all meme coins alone. Between the money in Ethereum and Binance alone by these massive hedge funds and BlackRock, I don't think Bitcoin is disappearing anytime soon. This was a dump that was meaning to happen, and hopefully we'll see a swift recovery. Now, guys, the first thing I want to highlight here is the fear and greed index, currently at a 38, which is probably the lowest we've seen all year, which is absolutely insane as people are starting to sell their cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin currently at $56,000, Ethereum at sub 3,000, Binance less than $500 per token, and Solana at $134. What does that mean for our coveted Pepe token? That's exactly what we're going to look at. We go to trending tab and we see Pepe still trending at number 4, down about 6% on the day, about 22% on the week, and 40% on the month. What the heck is that meaning for Pepe token? Is it all over from here? Is Pepe crashing? Is Pepe going to zero? Absolutely not, guys. I think this is a, like I said, a bump in the road for us to see bigger and better things for Pepe. We see a Pepe token test critical support at this price, breaching risk of large drops, higher trading volume hints at volatility, RSI oversold suggesting possible short-term rebound. So again, the technicals are indicating that they might go in the downward direction, but we are already seeing a correction in the 24-hour as it was dumping earlier today, and we're starting to see a pickup. When we look at the week, yeah, we see we're down about a whopping 23%, but the bounce back is already looking like we're about to come back to this level over here. So I'm pretty bullish to see what happens with Pepe next. Guys, if you like Pepe, you're gonna absolutely love this pre-sale gem that we're covering on the channel right now. This is Pepe Unchained Layer 2. Pepe now has his own blockchain. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy and stake now during a pre-sale to max out your rewards before the price skyrockets. Current reward is 792 AP. Instant bridging between ETH and Pepe. Low transaction fees, high volume capacity, 100x faster than ETH, and dedicated block explorer. This project has already raised $2.3 million in a span of just a couple weeks, which is insane. You can buy with ETH, USDT, card, BNB, basically anything. It's super solid. You're not going to want to miss out on this one. It's a Pepe themed token plus staking. It's going absolutely ballistic. Again, they raised $2.3 million, so the whales are seeing something there for sure. And even we go over at X, they already have 5,000 followers, and they're posting and engaging with the community to keep in charge, to just stay on top of things. This project is going to go absolutely insane. Raising $2 million is the first milestone. I think this easily does 15 million in pre-sale alone. If you want to load up, link in the description below. Now let's keep moving on back to some Pepe news. As we're seeing some Pepe news, Deepcoin's top 5 trending perpendiculars, and we see Pepe still trending at number 4. So the volume's definitely there. People are trading Pepe, but the whole thing is for the price. Where are we going to see the price go from here? Pepe with bonk struggle as meme coin index plummets, and again, it's looking pretty sketchy right now. We can see over here the once vibrant, humorous world of meme coins has taken a severe hit as shib, doge, Pepe, whiff, and bonk price plummets, fueled by the internet culture and viral trends. These digital tokens have seen their market value a nosedive during the double-digit losses for the meme coin index, and that's definitely some crazy losses we're seeing. And Pepe being leader in the losses, down 22% versus all the other top meme coins. Now, in my opinion, Pepe was at one point overvalued in the sense that there was a lot of volume going on, but not a lot of news. But I think this is a problem that was going to be solved by seeing this correction. Remember, Pepe still has a very strong market cap of $3.7 billion. Just yesterday at $4 billion, so they are losing liquidity quite fast. But I think this is a recovery phase. In my personal opinion, this might be an optimal time to load up. When we look on the 1 year, guys, we're basically seeing it has lost its previous all-time high mark as well. It's starting to crash, and again, how low will it go? Because remember, not everybody is going to be dumping on our fan favorite Pepe coin, meaning there might be some space for this to skyrocket very, very soon, especially with Ethereum and Bitcoin ETFs going out and going crazy. Once we see a price in these two puppies as well, I anticipate all the meme coins are going to start pumping again. We even see Forbes covering Pepe as well. We can see Pepe up 815%, market cap at $5 billion. These meme coins will outperform Bitcoin 2024. First half, $600 billion crypto rally, and this was posted just a couple of days ago, which is absolutely insane to say the least. We are anticipating to see a meme coin rush back again very soon. But again, like always, it's not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. But let me know in the comment section below. Are you bullish or bearish for Pepe coin? What do you think this means for Pepe? Alright, that pretty much wraps the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.